Hello, my name is Stephanie Watkins, and the topic of my research project was Transfer of Learning in E-Learning, Examining Generalization of Skills and Effective Strategies. My project aimed to explore the transfer of learning in e-learning environments, and I wanted to focus on how skills and knowledge acquired in these settings can be generalized in real-world contexts. So through this project, I looked into some challenges that were associated with generalization and strategies to help promote the transfer of skills from the e-learning environments. As an introduction, e-learning in general has provided flexibility and more accessibility with learning opportunities. So especially since COVID and almost everything going remote that was possible, it expanded a lot of learning opportunities and helped institutions and workplaces to explore more e-learning opportunities for their employees or students. And through this, it's still a growing field to see what is feasible for people to actually learn, and then now to examine the transfer of learning, so the transferability of e-learning skills to real world settings, meaning what people learn through e-learning, are they able to take those skills that they learned remotely on a computer screen and use that and apply it to real life application. So now on to what is transfer of learning and defining what that means. So I want to also preface with I apologize in advance if I mispronounce the authors' names throughout this presentation. I'm definitely going to do my best to say them correctly. So Pineda, Herrera, Quesada, and Stoyan in 2011 define transfer of learning as applying knowledge and skills from one context to another. So in the context of e-learning, the challenge here lies in transferring skills from the virtual environment to real-world settings. And the process of generalization involves recognizing the underlying principles and concepts and being able to apply them appropriately in different situations. Factors influencing generalization. Reinta, Jimenez-Gonzalez, and Gonzalez-Soto in 2014 determined that cognitive factors are one of the factors that influence the generalization of skills from e-learning environments to real-world settings. Cognitive factors such as prior knowledge and metacognitive abilities play a crucial role in determining the transferability of skills. This is because learners who possess a strong foundation of prior knowledge can regulate their own learning are more likely to generalize their skills effectively. Now, Harrington and Oliver in 2000 also define contextual factors also as an impact to generalization. And they state that the authenticity of tasks and alignment with real-world contexts enhance the transfer of skills, and designing e-learning experiences that closely mirror real-world scenarios enable learners to better understand how to apply their skills in practical situations. Effective strategies for promoting generalization. So Brickell and Harrington in 2006 identified authentic learning experiences. And to promote the generalization of skills from e-learning environments, the authentic learning experience was one strategy that closely resembles real-world situations, which it enhances transfer of learning. And what this is it incorporates realistic scenarios, simulations, and case studies to make it as realistic as possible for the learner. And by immersing learners in authentic contexts, they develop a deeper understanding of how to apply their skills in real-world settings. Zalkarnin in 2006 also said that scaffolding is another effective strategy to promote generalization. So scaffolding learning is another effective strategy by providing support structures and guidance, which helps learners to bridge the gap between e-learning and real-world contexts. And this involves offering step-by-step instructions, interactive feedback, and opportunities for practice and reflection. In conclusion, the transfer of learning in e-learning environments is a multifaceted process, and this requires deliberate attention to promote the generalization of skills to real-world settings. So when we consider cognitive and contextual factors, educators and instructional designers can enhance the transferability of skills acquired in e-learning. And by providing authentic learning experiences, scaffolding learning, and fostering metacognition and reflection, the learners can better understand and apply their skills in practical situations. And as this field of e-learning continues to grow and evolve, further research and exploration of effective strategies are necessary to help optimize the generalization of skills and the transfer of learning. Now, by bridging the gap between e-learning and real-world application, we can unlock a fuller potential of e-learning to help prepare learners for real-world challenges. Here are my references. Thank you.